throttle with my toe. That sucks sweating in the truck. It's because it's muggy. And I have out there.
Oh, that thing's solid.
Whoa, dog, it bounced.
I don't even think it's gonna split. Hit this one more time. This thing felt too solid to split. It's moist, it's soft. Oh.
Where'd that come from?
It's laying back there. But that one's not ready for prime time. Let's see what this little thing does. Wow. I didn't hit that very good. This stuff's pretty soft.
Yeah, you were on that
All right, it didn't go so easy, but it's going. Everything's a little wet. It's been misting all morning. Hello, hello, hello. This is Jeff. Welcome to another video. I'm out with my friend Brian. He's over there. Yeah, we decided to come out and get a little video, get a little camping trip in. It's kind of misting on us. We rolled in and we've got things about half set up, and had a little trouble getting the fire going, but she finally went. So I think it's supposed to clear off. It's not supposed to rain, really. Is it, Brian?
Nope.
Brian says no. He's watching the weather closer than I am. So we did get a fire going. I have not got my tent put up yet, so we're not going to be drinking until I get my tent put up, but we're going to go look at a couple fallen trees and see if we can get some firewood cut. Alright guys, I'm at a weird angle. Let me change here. Home is built. It is behind me. I'm out camping with Brian. We've got the fire going. It's time now to relax a little bit. It's getting late. I think it's what, 6:30, almost 7? Getting close to 7 o'clock. I am going to go ahead and enjoy a beer as soon as I can find a bottle opener. That may not be that easy. Alright. Guess I should have figured out how to get a bottle opener before I sit down. Man, you got a bottle opener?
I do not.
That's actually going to be the last thing I pull out. That it is. That's not it either.
What about on the end of that one?
Huh?
Can you hit it on the end of that?
Probably. It's personal now. Alright. Alright, I got my bottle opener, finally. Drinking a New Belgium triple or tripel. It's new to me. Let me put my glasses on so I can see what I'm drinking here. Belgian style ale. I'm gonna call it tripel. Alright, let's do it. Oh man, I don't even know. I'm never gonna get this bottle opener right. Really. I'm just gonna go buy a bottle opener.
Alright, we'll see in a few minutes.
Yeah. Here it is. New Belgium Tripel. Well, it's not bad. It's pretty good beer. Not sure how to compare it. It has a decent amount of flavor to it, and that's all I know how to say. I'm gonna sit back and enjoy this. Cheers. Fuck up. The whole thing, I haven't even gotten my other cameras out yet. Let's see how sharp my new knife is. Not very. Alright, I am cooking by a headlamp because it got dark on us.
You got a can opener?
I got a can opener somewhere.
Sweet.
It's got to be the most difficult onion just to get the layer off of it. I don't think this knife's going to cut it, Brian. We'll see. I guess onions don't have to be perfectly cut. Yeah, it's all right. All right, so. So it does have
Look how hard it is to turn this.
Oh no! Look at Brian's steak.
Oh,
I don't know
look
if
at
that's.
that.
I don't know if that's on the
Oh,
on the camera. I got ash in my pan.
Oh well.
That'll be all right. All right, guys. Here we go. A couple pounds of ground beef. Yeah. I don't know. I don't think my pan's
you
very
need to
hot
get it
yet.
over, baby.
Yeah.
Get your glove there, man. Get it right here where my
This ain't even hot enough to worry about. We're gonna move it on
There you
over
go.
here.
Yeah.
That's a good angle for the camera, even.
Oh, look at that.
All right. Woo! You got the spatula?
You want some salt in your hamburger? Oh yeah. A little pepper.
That's a lot of hamburger. All right, guys. It got dark faster than I wanted. We spent too much time cutting wood. And then we were fighting with a mist that turned into like a light rain. And then all the ingredients I bought to cook chili with didn't really fit in my skillet. So everything's been kind of a mess. But the rain is slowing down. I'm gonna try not to blind Brian here. So Brian's got the 5-pound tomahawk steak and some green beans. And I'm still waiting on this chili. And now the rain is dropped off a bit, and so I'm still waiting to heat up some chili. I had too much food for that skillet, so I went ahead and broke out one of my Stanley steel cups and then scooped some of it over into that. So fire's going, rain's getting lighter. I got a beer. Even when things go wrong, I think the best day camping, or how does that saying go? A bad day camping is better than a good day at work.
I don't know. I got a pretty good job, man.
Brian likes work better than camping. I'm not really believing that, but all right, guys. Through everything, through the rain, trouble getting the fire going, we're eating. Chili is awesome. Brian finished up with like a 5-pound tomahawk.
Yeah,
it was awesome.
And I'm eating chili.
Now he's eating some chili. So it's dark, but it's not that late. What do we got? I don't even know what time it is. I couldn't tell you. Somewhere around 8 o'clock maybe. It's dark. So crack a few beers here, finish up eating, hang out.
8:03.
It's 8:03.
Wow.
And it's just completely pitch dark. So I get some food in me here. It took me a lot to cook this chili in the dark and the rain. Good morning. It's I don't know what time it is. I think it's about 7:20. It's cold. It rained all night, most of the night. It rained most of the night. The tent did its job, kept the rain out. First time I've put the rain fly on it, and I'm just too cold to get out of my sleeping bag right now. I'm just kind of still wrapped up in my sleeping bag. So I had plenty of blankets, so I travel pretty heavy. I brought a couple old blankets, and thinking about getting up here, getting some coffee on. With all the rain, I don't think we're going to be able to get a fire going this morning. It pretty much rained all night, heavy at times. So coffee first, and then we'll see what we can do with the fire. All right, I'm going to try this little Coleman. It's a Coleman Sport Cat. I don't know if I can get the name on there. I've had this little heater for a while. It's a little propane heater. Sits on top of a propane, 1-pound propane can. I turn this on to heat up the tent a little bit, maybe dry out the inside. A little bit of condensation on the inside of the tent. So I'll try to heat the place up just a bit without melting it. But this is puts out a pretty good amount of heat, but doesn't turn red hot or anything. So it's warmed it up in here already. All right, guys, we rolled in yesterday kind of late, so I wanted to go ahead and cut some wood while Brian was here, and that put us way behind setting up anything. So it got dark really quick on us, and we were cooking in the dark, and then it started raining a little on us. Made everything difficult. So we kind of left a mess. We were just scrambling to get some food cooked, and everything is a mess out here. So I do have a trash bag, so I'll be cleaning that up and making some coffee. Get some coffee made. Brian is sleeping in his car. He's still in there. I imagine he's awake by now, but probably too cold to get out of his sleeping bag like I was. This little thing got me out of my sleeping bag. It warmed the tent up enough. I got out of the bag and got my sweats off and put my pants back on. So as you can see, I have plenty of blankets. I had a small little bluish green color blanket to go inside my sleeping bag with me. I have my normal Disney pumpkin head blanket that I always bring, and then I brought this heavy old comforter that we weren't using anymore. It's pretty heavy, so I stayed warm. I didn't have a problem staying warm in this tent. I don't really know what the temp is, honestly. It's in the 40s, I believe. It's, it's not getting near freezing, but it's, I'm gonna say it's about 45 or cooler. So yeah, I gotta get this place cleaned up and get some coffee on. And I'll let that sit a little bit, and we'll have some coffee. Maybe that'll get me warmed up. It's still pretty chilly out. No sun today. It's overcast completely. It's cold and wet. Yeah, my feather stick game, it needs a little work, but I'll practice. Oh, I had a flame, I thought. My hair's a mess. Yeah, I'm trying to get a fire going. But it's not easy. It's wet. Everything's wet. All right, so me and Brian, we use some of the most advanced bushcraft methods we know to get this fire going with wet wood.
Well, at least I ziplocked that up. Paper towel. This ain't too bad.
Maxwell House.
You cooked yours so long.
Yeah, so it might have something to do with how long you leave the coffee grounds in there before you press it out and pour it out. So I think I'm leaving mine too long. I'm making it too strong. Huh?
Cookie?
You what?
Your chair's dry.
Yeah, my butt dried it out.
Oh, goody.
My butt's wet, but the chair is dry. I don't know, dude. You should probably cook up a bunch of eggs. What do you think?
Oh, like scrambled.
Oh, you gonna do scrambled?
Oh,
I don't care. Yeah.
Heck yeah, dude. That's a brilliant. Well, who cares? Boom. Oh, you're right.
I mean, at least like two or three each.
Oh no, yeah. We're gonna.
Probably gonna have a little ash on the bread.
Oh, that makes it better.
We need to find some good hardwood somewhere.
Oh, I think we will in the woods. Breakfast.
Scrambled eggs, bacon, toast. Well, that fire burned down quick.
See, I would have never made it. They didn't have fresca on the trail. I'm telling you, it's good.
Oh, he's good. Is that real butter?
Oh yeah.
That's the good stuff. Something strange is going on here. What is that? It's that bright thing in the sky.
Oh, that's weird.
Wow, haven't seen that in a couple days. All right, we have got a little bit of work done. It seems like this whole trip's been more about getting firewood cut and planning for future trips than it really has being able to get a video out. So we stayed out, we were working, we're cutting trails and cutting down some dead stuff and getting some firewood stacked. And we actually stayed for lunch. Brian's finishing up some chili right now. So it's past 2 o'clock and still haven't got camp broken down, but I got a lot of it done. So I've been slowly packing things up. I got to get my tent put away and get everything packed up and get on out of here. I'd like to sit down and relax a little bit tonight at home before I have to get up and go to work tomorrow. We're pretty much done here. So I'll see you guys next time. Until then, keep safe and keep camping.